Hi guys, it's Tony. These were ordered online. These are fake candles, but they're fake dripping candles. So we'll take a quick look at them. These were ordered off Amazon. See the dripping. Sometimes these are smooth. There's a few there. They were $12.99, these ones. So let's that's a short one, isn't it? It's the smell of real candle. So let's turn them on. I like the fact they come with a battery. They look pretty tough as well. Nice flicker effect. One has to go. There you go, guys, with a flicker. Anyway, thanks for watching. They can be found anywhere on the internet. I think the cheapest I've seen for $12.99 for 6. The only thing I don't like about them is this orange light. They could have made that like a yellowy light, which is much better. But yeah, for the price, it ain't bad. I like the wax, the dripping wax there, very realistic. But they should have made that yellow rather than orange. Yellow looks better, more realistic. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.